Hello, I'm Alan Vandriel, the Chief Executive Officer at Smith County Memorial Hospital. With me today is Dr. Hannah Hack, who's the Chief of the Medical Staff at Smith County Memorial. Today is Friday, March the 20th, and we wanted to give you a quick update on the current coronavirus outbreak and the situation in Smith County.
If you have symptoms or believe you have been exposed to someone with this, always call first. Don't come into the clinic or the ER without first calling, as we have precautions in place to help protect our staff and to help protect you. Give us a call. We'll go over the screening questions and determine if you need to be seen, how quickly you need to be seen, and where you need to be seen. We can do testing here, but again, we're going to go through the guidelines and only screen those who are really truly appropriate to be screened for this virus. Providers and staff are staying up to date on all the changes, and we're making adjustments each day to make sure that we're monitoring this very closely and doing all the appropriate actions for this. For most people with any respiratory illness, including this coronavirus, staying home is the best option. For the majority of people, if you do have this virus, most people will have mild to moderate symptoms and can be managed very safely at home.
So at Smith County Memorial Hospital, we have imposed some visitor restrictions as part of our defense against this coronavirus. We are limiting visitors to one per inpatient, and we are asking that if you have any symptoms of illness of any kind, that you not visit hospitalized patients. In the clinic, we are allowing family members to come to appointments with a person who's being seen in the clinic. We are not restricting that at this time. Our cafe is open. We are doing takeout. We also are, at the present time, still allowing people to eat in the cafeteria. If that changes, we'll let you know.
Smith Center is not aware of any confirmed cases of coronavirus in Smith County. Kansas is a state of about 3 million people, and as of this morning, there are a total of 44 cases of coronavirus in the state. If a patient contacts our hospital and needs to be tested, we will follow the guidelines and protocols set forth by the Kansas Department of Health and Environment for testing. The Kansas Department of Health and Environment has been updating its mandates for quarantine and isolation of travelers to include Florida, in addition to the previously stated locations and cruises. Travel must have occurred on or after March 15th. Again, common sense is the best protection for this. Stay home if you're sick. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Avoid crowds and disinfect surfaces frequently.
That's the update today, Friday, March the 20th. We'll continue to update this as the situation changes. Thank you and have a good weekend.